Deep in the heart of industrial innovation, where nature meets technology, lies a secret that has transformed the beauty industry forever. Today, we're taking you inside one of the world's most fascinating factories, where ordinary banana leaves undergo an extraordinary transformation into premium bowed straight hair extensions. It all begins here in the plantation, where skilled harvesters select only the finest, most mature banana leaves. Each leaf is chosen for its strength, flexibility, and unique cellular structure. The harvesting process is meticulous. Workers must identify leaves that are neither too young nor too old, finding that perfect balance that will later determine the quality of the final product. Within hours of harvesting, these leaves arrive at the processing facility. Time is critical. Freshness ensures the preservation of the natural proteins and fibers essential for hair production. Every single leaf undergoes rigorous quality inspection. Damaged, diseased, or imperfect leaves are removed immediately. Only the premium grade continues to the next phase. The cleaning process begins with multiple wash cycles. These specialized tanks use temperature-controlled, purified water to remove all dirt, pesticides, and natural residues. High-pressure washing jets target every surface area, ensuring complete cleanliness. This step is repeated 3 times with progressively finer filtration systems. Skilled technicians now manually remove the central vein and rough edges. This delicate work requires years of experience. Too much removal wastes material, too little affects final quality. The prepared leaf material is then arranged for the first drying phase. Proper airflow and spacing at this stage is crucial for even processing. Now comes one of the most critical steps, fiber extraction. These powerful machines mechanically break down the leaf structure, separating the usable fibers from the pulp. Watch closely as the natural fibers emerge. These microscopic strands possess a remarkable similarity to human hair structure, flexible, strong, and capable of holding shape. Centrifugal separation ensures only the finest, lightest fibers continue forward. The precise RPM of these machines has been perfected over years of research and development. The raw fibers now enter the enzymatic treatment phase. Specialized protein solutions begin the transformation process, breaking down cellular structures while preserving fiber strength. Over the next several hours, the fibers undergo chemical transformation. Natural pigments are removed while the protein structure is enhanced and stabilized. The treatment process involves 7 distinct chemical baths, each formulated for a specific purpose. Temperature, pH levels, and timing are monitored constantly by automated systems. After 18 hours of treatment, the transformation is remarkable. What began as green banana leaves now resembles raw hair fiber, ready for the next phase of processing. The carding process aligns millions of individual fibers. These machines work like massive combs, organizing the chaotic fiber mass into parallel orientation. Each fiber must face the same direction. This alignment is what creates the signature bone-straight quality. Even a small percentage of misaligned fibers would compromise the final product. The drawing frame combines multiple fiber ribbons while further stretching and aligning them. This step is repeated 6 times, each pass improving consistency and smoothness. The result is stunning, perfectly aligned, uniform fibers that now truly resemble premium human hair extensions. Quality control checks fiber diameter, consistency, and alignment at microscopic level. Only batches meeting strict specifications proceed to the next stage. Heat setting permanently locks the straight configuration into each fiber. Precise temperature control ensures the fibers maintain their bone-straight quality through hundreds of washes. As the fibers cool, the molecular structure stabilizes. The bone-straight pattern is now permanent, locked at the cellular level. The dyeing process offers customers unlimited color options. These specialized vegetable-based dyes bond permanently with the banana fiber structure. Watch as the natural beige fibers absorb the dye molecules. The porous structure of banana fiber accepts color more readily than synthetic materials, resulting in rich, natural-looking tones. The dyeing process takes 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on desired color depth. Automated agitation ensures even color distribution throughout each bundle. After dyeing, each bundle is lifted and allowed to drain. The color at this stage appears darker than the final result. It will lighten slightly during rinsing and drying. Thorough rinsing removes all excess dye and chemical residues. The water must run completely clear before the fibers proceed. Environmental standards are strictly maintained. Excess water is carefully removed by hand. Despite the industrial scale, human touch remains essential at critical stages to prevent fiber damage. The drying room maintains precise humidity and temperature levels. This controlled environment prevents fiber damage while ensuring even drying across thousands of bundles. Once dry, each bundle receives detailed brushing. This removes any remaining tangles and ensures perfect smoothness from root to tip. Professional-grade heat treatment adds final smoothness and shine. These industrial straighteners process entire bundles in seconds while maintaining consistent results. A lightweight silicone coating seals the fiber cuticle and adds that signature silky feel. This natural treatment enhances manageability without making the hair heavy or greasy. The result is extraordinary. Fibers so smooth and straight they're virtually indistinguishable from premium bone, straight human hair extensions. The hair is now measured and cut to standard commercial length. Precision matters. Customers expect exact measurements when they order specific lengths. Each bundle is weighed to exact specifications. Standard bundles contain 100 grams of hair. Consistency is key to customer satisfaction and brand reputation. The weft attachment process secures the hair fibers to a durable base. This reinforced track allows the extensions to be sewn, clipped, or bonded to natural hair. Final quality inspection is unforgiving. Technicians check for shedding, tangles, color consistency, and overall quality. Anything less than perfect is rejected. Approved bundles receive a final conditioning treatment. This professional-grade formula adds moisture and protects the fibers during storage and shipping. Each bundle is folded using a specific technique that prevents creasing and maintains the bone straight quality. Even packaging requires skill and attention. The packaging department operates with assembly line efficiency. Each bundle is sealed in protective packaging that preserves quality during transportation. Automated labeling ensures every package includes complete product information: length, weight, color code, batch number, and care instructions. Every package is scanned into the inventory system. This digital tracking follows each product from factory floor to final customer, ensuring accountability and quality control. For retail distribution, bundles are arranged in attractive display packaging. Presentation matters. These products will sit on beauty supply store shelves worldwide. The shipping department processes thousands of orders daily. Each box is carefully packed with protective materials to ensure products arrive in perfect condition. These banana-based bone straight extensions ship to over 60 countries worldwide. What started as leaves in a tropical plantation now serves the global beauty industry. Logistics teams coordinate daily shipments to distributors, retailers, and individual customers. The supply chain ensures fresh product reaches markets quickly. From plantation to processing, from raw material to finished product, this facility produces over 50,000 bundles of premium bone straight hair extensions every month. This remarkable journey transforms sustainable agricultural material into premium beauty products. Banana leaves, once considered agricultural waste, now power a thriving industry that combines natural resources with advanced manufacturing technology. The next time you see bone straight hair extensions, remember this extraordinary process. From banana plantation to beauty salon, this is the hidden story of how nature and technology create perfection. This has been Factory Dreams, revealing the fascinating processes behind everyday products.